Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make 생강 대추차, which is ginger jujube tea. Let's get started. Korea has been hit by corona really hard and is spreading to the rest of the world really quickly. But don't worry about it, cause I'm still alive. Stay alive, stay alive. Since I've been living in Korea, I've been researching about corona a lot and hearing the news about it. So I thought it would be good to share what I learned and what I've been drinking to keep my immune system strong and stay healthy so you guys can be healthy too. I've been drinking the ginger tea in my office to boost my immune system to fight corona. So I thought it would be good to share how to make ginger tea at home so it can boost your it can boost your immune system too. So to get started, we need ginger. I got 42 grams of ginger, but between 40 to 50 grams of ginger is fine. I'm gonna keep the skin, but if you don't like it, get a spoon and use the side of it and peel it. That way it's easier than using a knife like that. Very easy and simple. Since I'm gonna keep it, I'm not gonna peel the skin. Slice your ginger thinly. Ginger stimulates the T cell, which helps. Ginger stimulates T cells, and when T cells meet white blood cells, no. So basically, ginger stimulates the T cell, and T cells meet white blood cells, and white blood cell get stronger and fight virus, so you can be stronger. Put to the side. Next, get dry jujube. We need about 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 20. I don't know if it's jujube or jujube or juju or dates, but it's called daechu in Korea. Get 20 daechu, and you can skip this part, but if you slice it, it makes tea stronger. So I'm gonna just slice it to open it up. Like, open it like that. Or you can do it like sideways, or you can give cross if you want. Daechu has a lot of nutrition that will increase your body temperature and stimulate your metabolism, which will help your immune system. In Korea's oriental old medicine book that is called Dongi Bogam, they say ginger and daechu go really well together. I heard they will help each other and make it win-win. And put to the side. Get a pot and get 3 liters of water and fill that bag up right now. And fill the pot with water and all the ingredients that we prepared. And turn your stove on high heat. And we're gonna wait until it boils. English is my second language and I don't wanna freak anyone out because of my bad English. And I'm gonna try my best to talk about the situation first and then move on to the tips. Corona is the type of the RNA virus that started in Wuhan, China. There is no vaccine at the moment and it takes 2 weeks to show symptoms. That's why it's really hard to catch and easy to spread. Korea was fine couple weeks ago, but because there was a super spreader in Daegu, where I'm from, currently right now is about 2,500 people are corona patient in Korea. And more than 65% is in Daegu and only 6% in Seoul. Before super spreader, Koreans sent tons of masks to the Wuhan to support China. But because of the super spreader, Korea has shortage of masks. Because of the shortage, mask price increased super rapidly. It was only 30 cents per disposable mask, but now it's like $4 or $5. And even if you want to pay $4 or $5, it's sold out. That's the problem. And there are a few stores that sells masks, and you have to go early in the morning and stay in the line. Each person only can get 3 masks per day. But luckily, Korea changed the law to stop exporting masks. So mask shortage will be end starting next week. Once it's boiling, turn your stove on medium. Not a medium high, medium. And we're gonna boil it for about an hour. So now I'm gonna talk about the rumor that goes around and what you need to do if you're coming to Korea, or what you need when Corona hits your country. And just so you know, I'm not a doctor, scientist, or not a health expert. I'm just a chef. So I'm sharing my knowledge that I heard from news and internet, but it might be wrong, and if I'm wrong, please comment down below so we can share all the knowledge to save the world. Tip number 1. If you're going to the trip that has a corona patient or airport that can, like, any chance that you can get corona, please wear a mask. And if you actually traveling to the country that has a lot of corona patient, it might be hard to get a mask. So pack bunch of masks before you go somewhere to be safe. There are a bunch of myths about the mask. Some people say you should definitely wear K95, which is same as a N95 in America. And some people say wearing a cotton mask will be work too. As far as I researched that, this virus doesn't go around in the air like all the times. Main way you get it is from someone's spit, not about in the air. So you don't need really super good mask unless you're working at a hospital or like you have to face the patient. Second rumor is you gotta throw the mask out after using 8 hours. That's true for filtering the dust, not the virus. Since main way to get the virus is from the spit, unless it's damaged, doctor in Korea say you can use it for up to a week, especially when there is shortage of the mask. After you come home, make sure you use the blow dryer inside and outside, because the virus is very weak to the heat, and blow dryer goes up to 70 degrees Celsius or 80, depends on your blow dryer, so it can kill the virus. That's how you reuse the mask. And rumor number 3, since corona is virus, hand sanitizer doesn't work. I saw it in the news, and one of the doctors say if you're using sanitizer that contains over 70% of the alcohol, it can kill the virus. Of course, the best way to keep you safe is washing your hand, but if you can't, using hand sanitizer will work. Using hand sanitizer will work. Why is it tongue twisted? Also, when you wash your hand, make sure wash it over 30 seconds and get your below the nail. Tip number 2, if you're traveling to Korea, there is coronamap.kr, I think that's what it was, that shows the where corona patient have been and how long it's been since they were there. So if you look at the map, you can avoid the places. And when you come to Korea, every time when there is new case of corona, Korea government will send the text alert. It shows where they have been for 2 weeks. It takes a little time because they are keep updating finding out where they've been, but eventually it shows for full 2 weeks. Korean government is checking where the patient went and sanitizing all the place they have been through. That's why my gym is closed for 4 days. Luckily, I didn't been there for more than a week. Yeah. Since Korea is trying their best to solve this problem, I feel a little safer than what news is actually saying. And I'm gonna put all the link down below so you can check if you have to come to Korea. After an hour, turn your stove off and make sure get all the jujube and a ginger out. If you want, you can eat the jujube, but I don't think, I mean, you can eat the ginger, but I don't think you want to. But you can eat it. Take out the ginger and put it away. This step is all optional. You don't need to do it, but it will make the tea more authentic and delicious. Get all your dates and crush them. We're squeezing out all the flavor of jujube. After you finish, put the jujube juice back into the tea. That's it. Our 생강 대추차 is all ready to eat. Eating time. Let's drink. Oh my god, it smells so strong. Like, what should I say? It's like, do you know what dabang is? I guess no. It made me feel like I'm in dabang. Dabang is like really old Korean coffee shop. They usually sell sangwatang and like coffee, you know? I'm gonna show you the picture. I don't even know what that is well, but I mean, it's so hard to explain. There's like a lot of oriental stuff and they put the egg on top, like raw egg. Like, this is a really cool thing. Like, I'm gonna show you the picture here. And they usually sell like coffee and sangwatang and a lot of different Korean teas like this or sujongga and stuff. It smells, made me feel like I'm there. I don't even remember last time I went to the dabang, but it made me feel like memory is still there. I don't know when, but it's somewhere in my library, in my brain. I think it was sometime when I was a baby with my parents. If you like cook it long time, ginger and dates taste might be too strong for you. Then you gotta add honey. If you're vegan like Sarah, you can add sugar, but I recommend you to add honey because honey has a lot of propolis? What was it? Propolis. Yeah. Honey has a lot of propolis, which will stimulate the white blood cells. It will help you win the battle with the virus. Ooh. So add as much as you want. It's up to your preference. If you're okay with not adding it, that's fine too. This tea is really good for flu season, not just for corona. So every time when you're sick, just make this and drink it. Then you can win the battle. When I was young, only like grandpa or old people goes to the dabang. And this thing made me feel like I'm old. When you see a Korean drama, they go to dabang and all the ajashi is like oh, that's how I feel. Ooh, adding honey is good. It's pretty good. When you drink it, first thing you taste is the ginger. You can taste the ginger spice. And before it gets too spicy, jujube is surrounding all the spices of ginger and make it more smooth. And honey is wrapping all them together and make it sweet. Oh, I forgot to say, I'm not a big YouTuber, so I don't know how much I will make from this video, but every single penny that I make from this video, I wanna donate to the charity. That's it for today's episode, and I hope you make this at home and be healthy. And if you make it, please send me through the social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Kwon's Corner Subreddit. I'm gonna put the link down below. See you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you wanna see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!